Ever wondered what happens when you take raw, home distilled spirit and turn it into something smooth, indulgent and dangerously delicious? Today we're going from Potstill to pour, crafting a coffee chocolate cream liqueur, but with our own twist.
There we go. Welcome back to our channel, One Step at a Time Farmstead. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you like this content, please like and share with your friends and family. Okay, let's get into it. So in the previous video, we used our Temu Potstill to distill a sugar wash, and from that, Danielle picked out a batch that she found inviting to make a liqueur, and this batch came off at about 53% alcohol by volume, as you can see here. Yeah, exactly 53% alcohol by volume, and we are going to use some of this to make a coffee chocolate cream liqueur for the meal. And I've decided to make like a strawberry banana liqueur as well, just to experiment a little and see whether we like it or not. But before we start mixing or sharing the ingredients with you that we are going to use and start mixing it together, we first have to proof down this alcohol to about 40% ABV, because for liqueurs that seems to be the sweet spot for creating an excellent liqueur. This is just some of the equipment and ingredients that we are going to use, but let's start with a bit of maths. In order to proof it down and to work out exactly how much water you need to add, and we are going to add unchlorinated water. You can use distilled water, or you can use reverse osmosis water, or the pure bottled water that you can buy at your local grocery store, just as long as there's no chlorine or any other chemicals in it. Okay, so in order to determine how much water you need to add to proof it down to 40%, you take your starting ABV, which in this case is 53%, minus, I'll put the formula on screen as well, minus your desired ABV, divided by your desired ABV, and times the volume that you are going to use. And that will show you exactly how much water you need to add to get to your desired ABV. So in this case, we've got 53% alcohol by volume, minus the 40%, divided by 40%, which gives me 0.325. My glasses are over there, so I'm blind. And we are going to use a volume of 500 ml of this alcohol.